Sociology is the study of society. Sociologists study social factors, social institutions, and differences between groups. Sociology is a social science. We use the scientific method to study social behavior. Unlike psychology, which studies individuals and researches differences between individuals, sociologists look at differences between groups. So we look at social factors, which are part of your social location. Your social location is your personal set of social factors. Social factors are those categories that we fit into socially. And it doesn't mean that we are similar to those that share our same social categories. It's a way to research differences between groups to understand more about the social environment that we're all a part of. Social factors are things like age, race, socioeconomic status, gender, sexuality, marital status, level of education, geographical location, and all of those factors may impact our behavior. Remember that in sociology, we're not trying to predict or explain an individual person's actions. We're trying to uncover the social system that we're all a part of, we're all affected by, but sometimes we can't visually see this system. In fact, until we use the sociological imagination, we may not even know how the social system we're a part of is affecting us. Once we develop a sociological imagination, we can start to decide if we want to change our behavior, if we are simply following social norms to be accepted, or if we want to deviate from those norms. It also applies to equity issues, things that we're hearing a lot about in social justice. We may not understand what our biases are or what our privileges are until we really understand this social system that we all live in. Once you start to see that system, you can start to get a better perspective of how your behavior is affected by being socialized in this system. In sociology, we also study social institutions. Those are all of the systems in society. The educational system, the economic system, the political system, the criminal justice system, religion, media, science and technology, different industries, all of those social institutions function to meet the needs of people in society. And those social institutions also play a role in our socialization. Socialization is the process by which we learn norms in our society. Norms are the expected ways of behaving in certain situations in a society. If you do not follow norms, you deviate or are deviant. Being deviant is not synonymous with being delinquent or breaking a law. It simply means you're not following the norms of society. If you are following the norms in society, you may get positive sanctions. That means you'll get positive feedback from people around you. And if you break norms, you could get negative sanctions or negative feedback from the world around you. That could be something like getting arrested if you do commit a crime. It could also be something like getting a strange look if you, say, talk too loud in a library or face the opposite direction in an elevator than is customary. Social norms depend widely on the social structure and the social environment of a society. And if you've ever lived in a different state or different country, you know that cultures can be very different and norms can be very different in different places. We're all socialized from a young age. In fact, we're socialized from infancy all the way until we die. We're constantly getting messages on how to act in society. Sociology is the study of society. It's the study of social factors and social institutions. It's the study of differences between groups to learn more about the social environment that we live in. Sociology can be used to develop the sociological imagination, to learn more about the system that we're a part of, and it can even be used to liberate yourself from some of the social norms that may not be in alignment with your personal values. That's sociology.